Hi, and welcome to our 33rd Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, they refer to me as DJ, and I am from Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting, and software. So let's begin. Today we're going to look at phase 2 of adding ribbon commands. So let's take a look. Previously, in the beginning of our podcast, we added tools to the Access toolbar across the top of the page. There is a phase 2 to this, and if you click on this down arrow right here, and then you scroll down to more commands, what it's going to give you is this chart. Now previously, as you remember, we added things and clicked on add, and the system put them over here. These are things that we're going to be using frequently. Phase 2 is up at the top where it says popular commands. If you click on this down arrow, it will be another menu. Okay? These are additional things that you can also add to your Access toolbar. These things, how should I say, the items that we put previously are the things that you're going to use almost every day in Excel. These items to the left here are, more specialty type things here on this menu, on the second menu, like pivot charts and tools and things of that nature. We won't be addressing that till later on, so we're going to do that at a later date. But for right now, okay, let's go ahead and close out of this screen down at the bottom. Just click on OK. For now, we're going to stick with the Access tools that we have on the top of the toolbar. Okay? There are many features that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. We have a list where you can review them as many times as you wish. Our clients are our number one concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these videos and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little bit more about the Excel program. We will provide you with a complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth and to customize a package that perfectly fits your needs and allows you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training, and the daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business needs, these will help your business be more streamlined and cost efficient, which is so important. We'd like to take this time to thank you for joining our podcast from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from Basic Introduction to the Excel program. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Bye now.